So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to insert emojis. So once you open up your Notes app, if I just were to go to, you can right click your screen right here. So press Control click. A bunch of different options for you guys right here, but it may not actually appear. So if you want the Emojis tab to open up, go to the top left, press on Edit, then scroll down to the bottom to where it says Emojis and Symbols. It'll then open up the Emojis keyboard right here. So you can go ahead and type in what you want to do. So there's the laughing face if I wanted to go ahead and edit, add the eyes emoji, whatever. You can also, which is pretty fun, edit in symbols. You can go to the custom page right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and search up a dog that is blue. It's going to take a couple seconds here to create a custom emoji. In this case, the emoji is going to be a blue dog, which is fantastic. Just bear with me for a couple seconds. It's going to take its time to create this, which hopefully it does fairly soon. But you can get the point. You can go ahead and put like the dog is blue. You can basically type in whatever you want, and it's going to go ahead and fetch some different results here. So let's hope here that shortly the dog right here, wonderful, it's a blue dog. You can also go ahead and see different options here. So if this looks good to you, go ahead and press add, and you can add custom emojis that way. When it comes to emojis and symbols, it'll be right here. Go ahead and add it, and you can go ahead and add it that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add emojis here on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.